Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today you remember when I made that banana flour? I show you how I made my banana flour. So I'm here today now to show you how I use this same banana flour to make banana boiled dumpling. And one of the reasons why I want to do it is, you know, sometimes we want to do food combining, and remember, banana is a fruit. And so I just want to tell you, you could just make your own, like when you're making your ackee, you could cook it up with your tomatoes and with your okras and with some coconut milk, and all of those are fruits. And then you can use your same banana flour and make your banana dumpling, and you could with that banana dumpling you cook some green bananas also. And another thing that could go in it is some sweet potato because sweet potato can be combined with fruits. So here is my homemade banana flour. So go and check out that video if you haven't seen it already. And so I'm going to just do 1 cup because I already have some made and I already did some. So I'm just doing this, that should be it, right? Yeah. So I'm just doing this just to show you. So remember, clean hands when you're gonna make the dumplings, and the nails, watch your nails so you don't have any mess inside of them. And what I do, so I make 1 cup of the banana flour, and this is 2/3 cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt. So I have the pink Himalayan salt here, so half a teaspoon. But if you don't want to use any salt, you don't have to. So here I have 2/3 cups of warm water. I like to use the warm water to do it because I find that it combines, and when I put the salt in the water, I know that it's going to be incorporated in the flour much better. So there is my water. I'm not the best at making dumplings, but I like to make it because when I make it, it feels like, you know, like I'm a kid making Play-Doh. So yeah, so you know, even though we're adults, we still want to have fun. So this is a way for me to have fun in the kitchen. And so you see, look at this now, Simple Life. If you love your dumpling, go ahead and you know who is the best at making dumpling? My husband. I don't know how he eats my dumplings because my dumplings come out all the time so ugly. Like they're cracky and they're not good, and his dumplings are like perfect. They're round, they're smooth, they're just delectable, you know, when you look at them. But my dumpling, I can't seem to get my dumpling as nice as his, and his dumplings are more firm, like they're just right, and mine's are soft,
Tight.
They're tight, yes, and you guys like tight dumpling, like burst your jawbone. But he still eats it, so praise God for that. And so this is it. All I did was the 1 cup of banana flour. I labeled it here. Half teaspoon of salt with 2/3 cup of water, warm water. And this is the dumpling here. If you want, I made some earlier. You can make it before and put it down to rest, or you could just go ahead and make it the same time. You don't have to make it rest. And this is it. Oh, the ends are not cracky. Okay. So this is your dumpling. You see it? Oh, that's it. And Simple Life, this is plant-based. This is plant-based dumpling. Look, you can have dumpling without having to mix 2, 3, 4 kinds of flour to get it to be gluten-free. Right here, it's gluten-free. It's vegan. It's plant-based. You know, it's all the goodness. Oh, they're coming out good today, sweetie. So I boiled some here, and I just want to come on and just show you how. Let me just make this other last one. Sometimes when you come to the edge, you know, back home, when you meet a little, we usually just do this, and like those we put in the soup or in the stew, right? Right? Yeah. So I just want to quickly make this to show you. And you could make a nice little one. And all of this is done with banana flour only. You see the color changes. It's not going to be white like the regular flour, because it's not white regular flour, right? So this is more full of fiber. So this is much more healthier for you. And what else I want to show you? I want to show you the ones that I have already made. Simple Life. Let's put this away. So this is the same green banana. Not the same one, but you get your nice green banana. You just watch the other video, Simple Life, and you will see. Here now, I have some the dumpling that is boiled. This is how it looks here. And this is some of the bananas. And hold on there. Let me just get some of this here. And now I'm going to put some of our ackee, and this ackee was made with no meat, just the pure ackee in our homemade coconut thing that we did there. Sorry. And this is it. Let's stop right there for now. We're about to have breakfast. So look at this Simple Life dumpling. It's eatable, it's cuttable, it's healthy, and this is a complete fruit meal. So fruit is not just the fruity like orange, but pineapple. This is a fruit meal. This is a combined meal, and it's very, very healthy and for us. So good, Simple Life. So good. This dumpling, oh my word. You have to try it. And then look at the banana. How it's mashable. Oh, banana is so good for us. So healthy.
I guess you can't stop.
Simple Life. I just want to come on here and show you how I make my banana dumpling from my banana flour. Please give it a try and comment, like, share the video. Until next time.